Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the Apps and Permissions, then go to the Advanced, Special Access, and here you have Install Unknown Apps. Here you have the whole list of apps for which you can install unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Google Chrome, and then tap Allow from this source, and now you can install from unknown sources through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing to the Google Drive and these other Google services. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.